Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. You know, you may have seen that video I did recently where Rick from Back Into Service sent me a package of a bunch of goodies. In there was a hammerhead, sledgehammer. It's a small 3-pound Plumb hammerhead. It's very rusty, but something about it, I just feel like shining it up and getting it as shiny as I can make it. However, there is a small, there's two small pieces here. When I zoom in closer, you can take a look. So I don't know if I'm going to have to reprofile that or what I'm going to do. But we'll get it all shiny and we'll put a handle on it, and it'll be fun. So let's get started. This thing is super loud, so I don't know if I can stand it. I'm wearing earplugs. Well, hopefully that'll help. well, that's it. It's completed. Man, this one was hard. I gotta say, it was very difficult. I had to redo things so often. Every time I do something, and then, you know, like I start to cut something off here, and then that scratch up something I did previously. I mean, I sanded this thing multiple times after having gotten it just right, and then I'd do something where I had to, when I was putting the hammerhead on, and then it wasn't on right, so I had to knock it off, and then that would chip. Well, you saw, I don't have to repeat all that. But, you know, I got it pretty shiny. I left a little bit of the logo there. Unfortunately, I think I put the head on upside down, I think, because it says Plumb. It says Plumb here this way. It doesn't say Plumb this way. Another weird thing. This hammerhead is like the distance. It's not symmetrical. It's really not symmetrical. Look at, I don't know if you look at that, kind of looks like a Chevrolet logo, but it's not the same as that, and it's all wonky. So that kind of surprises me. I thought Plumb was a really, you know, reputable company. I mean, not that it affects the usage of it or anything. But anyway, yeah. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but the handle, you saw in there where I was sanding the handle again. And the reason for that is the company that I bought the handle from, no, I didn't actually sand it down from a piece of wood. That was a joke. But the handle was crooked in comparison. Like this cut at the top of the handle was off kilter with the way this oval is, and so when you held it in your hand, the hammer was pointing off kilter, and so that's no good. So I sanded this handle down to try to make that a little more straight, so that your arm is perpendicular, or pardon me, parallel to that. Anyhow, this is one of those projects where I got to the end of it and I was just like, Calgon, take me away. I don't want to deal with this anymore. So it is finished. Looks pretty shiny. I didn't scout craft it or anything like that, but it still looks pretty good. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.